Bilog, bilugan. Assignment, suntukan.
Suntukan? Suntok lang yan para tumapang ka.
Ang kulit-kulit mo kasi kaya ka nakukurot.
Gusto mo ng tropa, di ba? Pasampal nga. Ha ha ha.
65% ng mga estudyanteng Pinoy biktima ng bullying.
Isa sa 3 bata nabubuli sa eskwelahan kada linggo.
Ang nakakalungkot, 38 lamang mula sa 339 na nai-report na kaso ng bullying ang naresolba.
My call to all kids in Quezon City is to practice 2 things. Number 1, courage. And number 2, compassion. I ask you to be courageous, to stand up for a person that is bullied. If you yourself are being bullied, speak out and tell the school authorities that you are being bullied. Kailangan pag-usapan, kailangan sabihin, kailangan i-report. Okay? At tandaan, ulitin ko, courage is standing up for another person. And number 2, compassion. Remember, the world is a cruel world. Napakasama na ng mundo. Makikiisa ka pa ba sa kasamaan na yan? Kasama ka ba sa mga mangpapahiya? Kasama pa ba kayo sa manlalait? Are you gonna be part of the problem? Are you gonna be part of the hate that the world is currently experiencing? Or are you going to be the change that the world is experiencing and bring love and empathy and kindness and compassion into the world?
At yan. Sa ilog, hindi nakakabuti ang bullying.
Magsalita, makialam, makisa sa Masambong High School. Bullying at diskriminasyon